Long, long ago, there was a very good man named Prophet Ibrahim. I have loved God more than anything in the world. One day, God asked Ibrahim to do something very, very hard, to take his beloved son Ishmael to a special place and show his love for God. Ibrahim was sad because he loved Ishmael so much, but he knew he had to obey God. So Ibrahim and Ishmael went together to the special place. Ishmael was a good boy and understood that his father was doing something important for God. Just as Ibrahim was about to show his love, something amazing happened. God sent a big, fluffy ram to take Ishmael's place. It was a miracle. God didn't want Ibrahim to hurt his son. God just wanted to see how much Ibrahim trusted him. Ibrahim was so happy and thankful that he had obeyed God, and God had made a way for everything to be okay. It showed everyone how important it is to have faith and trust in God's plan. And that's why, every year, people remember Prophet Ibrahim's story during a special celebration. They remember his great faith and how God always helps those who trust in him, even when things seem very difficult. It's a happy reminder of love, trust, and miracles.